These toxic Karens got owned. That's it. That's all I'm saying. That's all you get.
Where we at? Where we at? Say sorry. Say sorry. Look at the camera and say sorry.
This is scary. I had to pause. I'm scared. And I'm not even in this situation. And I'm not talking trash online.
Bro, I'm sorry. Look at the camera. I'm sorry. You look down what right now? I don't play no game.
I mean, at the end there, he said, if you ever come at me, if you ever threaten my life,
I will find you.
So it seems like there was some threats. So sometimes you gotta lay your foot down. But at the same time, I'm scared. I'm scared of this whole situation. I'm scared on both sides. I don't like it. I don't want to be a part of it.
Okay, so these little girls here, yeah, have decided to drink this drink from there, put their mouth to it and stick that back on the shelf.
That's disgusting. I hate that people exist. This is why you always gotta make sure that your stuff is sealed, because people are horrible.
And they think it's okay to do that without paying for it, yeah? You think it's okay to do that? You think it's okay to drink?
You want it to go viral.
No. Listen, it won't go viral. Okay.
I like that they're like defending themselves and they're like, oh, it's because you wanted to go viral, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, no, it's because I want to hold you accountable for your toxic Karen behavior, for your horrible actions, so you never do this again. Some people just like don't want to be held accountable. Some people just don't want to receive the consequences of their actions, and I get that. But like, you don't look like cute by arguing with the person who's calling you out. I mean, sometimes you gotta own the shitty thing you did, because it was shitty that you did that. And that's just the truth. Oh yeah, I've seen this. Yeah, this guy's just like weird at the gym, like because he doesn't have a shirt on and he's like recording. Okay, welcome to 2022.
And I am confused as hell of what's going on, because I don't understand why he's cursing me out and stuff.
Pretty normal thing to be confused over, I'd say.
So, but he continues to stare at me and flip me off and mouth things to me. So I just had to say something.
You know what?
What do you think? I don't know. What are you talking about? Yeah.
I don't think that guy's gonna do anything. If a guy says one thing and then you throw your water bottle down and come on over, like, you're clearly too jacked up. I don't know if you had too much pre-workout or what the hell's going on there, but you need to de-stress and, you know, just take a look inward, perhaps.
I'm on Princess Street right now. I'm a bit shaken up because this lady has come over and she just smashed my guitar. And that's a £300 guitar. If anyone knows me in Edinburgh, they know that I'm out busking every single day.
Yeah, like, not only did you just like destroy his property, but you're also destroying his like means of making money, which just like makes you even more terrible than before, to be honest. Like, that's just a double whammy of just being a shit person.
And I've never had anything like this happen to me.
Yeah.
This lady came up, started shouting in my face, swearing at me, telling me I wasn't playing, so I told her basically, I told her to shut up, go,
good.
leave me alone. So I ended up moving her bag out of the way, so she grabbed my guitar and threw it on the ground.
People are crazy. I'm so glad she had to like pay for it and got arrested and stuff like that, because what in the world? Are you insane? What? Just why? Just why?
Why would they do this?
Why do Karens always gotta bother other people? And they always gotta take it a step further. Just being annoying isn't enough. They also have to be destructive. Grow up, Karen.
I can break it if you want. I know where the structure of property is. I can honestly hide it somewhere you wouldn't find it. That's it right now. Show them that.
I saw this like last year or something like that. And this is one of the most annoying videos I've ever seen in my life. Like, full stop. It's so obnoxious. It's so obnoxious. And I still actually don't know what happened after. And I'm curious. So if you know, let me know.
Come and point out the other one I want. You want to show them this? Because I'll drop it. I'll be there. I'll drop it and make it clean.
We're about to find out what happens, I guess.
Some sort of bigotry got forced here. Not only that, but discrimination at its finest. So you think this is the right way to do stuff? I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. What do you think? Well, I think that that's not a way to behave. Saying, I'll break this and then I'll hide it somewhere you can't find it. I'll drop this on the floor so you have to clean it up. Just doesn't look good. It just doesn't look good, and that's all I can say.
Directed! Weirdo! Go! 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 Who the do you think you are?
This is like greatest freak out ever. You remember that video? In like the early days of YouTube, greatest freak out ever? This is like that. Just unnecessary. Just bizarre. I don't even know what he's yelling at, but like there are very few things in the world where you need to yell like this.
I need cops here right now! Give me a cop! Give me cops and identities! Please, right now!
This is like this is unhinged behavior. He's screaming on the phone for the cops. If he's really like, if he called 911, the poor 911 operator who has to take that phone call, like, hello? She's holding the phone out to here? No. How
am I punishing anyone because you hit my vehicle?
You're not moving.
In what universe is that an acceptable response? You just shove people out of your way when you're waiting in line and they don't move? That's not the point.
What is the point?
There's other places to park. You do not get to hit my vehicle with your car because, ma'am, you moved me twice. I have a dash cam.
She's got the receipts. We love it. We love when somebody has the video evidence so that people can't just lie their way out of these situations they've gotten themselves into.
Recording back here. I saw you hit my car. I felt my vehicle.
Yeah.
I'm full. Because you hit my car.
Did anything happen to your car?
That's not the point.
That is not the point. I agree. I fully agree.
Universe is it acceptable to play bumper cars with real vehicles? Yes, I'm the unreasonable one.
Yeah, the fact that they hit her car and then are trying to like pretend it doesn't matter at all and then are calling her unreasonable. Like, listen, she's not asking you to fix damages that don't exist, but she is asking you to like, you know, not hit other people's cars, which is a pretty reasonable request if you ask me, but dang.
Service, because I'm not Puerto Rican.
And who said that? The only person that said that here was you.
No, my husband.
The only person that has mentioned anything about in this place has been you. Nobody has mentioned nothing about.
What is she even freaking out about? She's just, I don't know, wants to be upset, I guess? I don't even know.
My husband went online. He went
If you
online.
damage that computer, you are going to have to pay for it.
I'm
Well, you
saying
can,
that you're refusing me service.
because you don't have an appointment. Because you don't have an appointment. There is no other reason other than you do not have an appointment.
So she says that they booked online. They don't have an appointment for her, so they can't fit her in. And she's freaking out about this and was about to try and damage one of their like computer terminal things because of an appointment. And like, this doesn't look like, you know, like a doctor's office or something serious. This looks like, I don't know, maybe somewhere like where you get your nails done or like, you know, something like that. Like some sort of like fun thing. Maybe get your hair done. You know what I mean? Like that's what this place is giving me the vibes of, like with the pink walls and like that sort of thing. So I'm just confused why we need to have a tantrum. We could just set an appointment and come back. Maybe it's a little inconvenient, for sure. I understand that. I can appreciate that. Don't think we need to freak out, though. Don't think so.
I'm sorry, dude. I gotta get some gas. I'm sorry, brother, man. I just ran out of gas. I was gonna get enough to go to the gas station.
So you're gonna take mine?
Okay. This guy was being so chill at the beginning. I was like, no way, he's the Karen. Then we find out that he's trying to siphon someone else's gas. In this economy? No, ma'am. That's insane. That's crazy.
Well, I was, dude. I'm sorry, bro.
Owned up to it.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
I saw you come open my... So I laid down.
Yeah.
I watched you walk past, check it out, and I knew you were gonna do that, bro.
No, serious.
That's like pretty insane, and I know he's being like chill and cool about it. It's not cool.
Not cool at all.
It's so rude. It's so rude to do that. Holy, I really can't believe that that's real. I'm shocked. I'm shocked, but listen, stranger things have happened, I suppose.
I'm sorry. Refund my bill. You want to talk to your boss? No. You want to talk to her? You for her call me. And what was you? I called her. She called me. You have a nice day. Call the cops.
This guy's too serious about Popeyes. Like, we're out of Popeyes, and this man is yelling.
Call the cops. And you think I won't?
I love this guy. Not the guy yelling, the guy that just turned around, the employee, just to be clear. Okay, wait, so he's saying that because he claims that she called him a cracker. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. Like, I mean, it's not a bad, I understand in context, like, it's rude and disrespectful, but the two words in question are not the same as one another. Like, I will die on that hill. I don't care if you disagree with me. I think you're wrong, okay? Like, and that's just facts. And this guy thinks that in a Popeyes that it's appropriate. What an unhinged person. What an unhinged person. Wow.
You can't call me that. Your chicken getting cold, fat boy. The chicken getting cold. Your chicken getting cold, fat boy.
Listen, I am not for calling people names. I am not for shaming people about anything. But if somebody's gonna pull that card, then listen, I am fully all right with you saying whatever you want about them, okay? Sometimes you gotta be pettier than a Karen, and that's just facts. Guys, that's it. We had a crazy one today. We sure did. But I hope you had a fun, silly goose time. I sure did. I've been your host today, Olivia Kozlowski, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.